August is the best time to start working on your next PC build. It's build, upgrade, save month here at Microcenter, which means we have three main goals. Build your new PC, upgrade your current PC, and save you money. We're putting special focus on our BYO department this month with a ton of great deals on everything ranging from GPUs to CPUs, fans to cases. I'm going to be going through some of my favorite deals happening this month, but it is far from everything that we have on sale. If you want to get the full list, be sure to check out microcenter.com or swing by your local Microcenter. Our associates will be happy to help you pick out the best parts for the best price possible. With that, let's get into it. We're going to kick things off with the core of any computer, the CPU. I got two big ones that I want to highlight, the first being the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. The AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D is an absolutely potent gaming processor, even being overshadowed by its older sibling, the 9950X3D. This 8-core, 16-thread CPU still boasts the 3D V-cache technology that makes the line of X3D chips so potent. This 3D V-cache technology takes the L3 cache and extends it, as the V would imply, vertically, giving even more space for more memory and storage on board the actual chip. This helped increase the speed of the chip and can even help with frames, increasing frame count in games that are more CPU bound. Coming up next, we have the Intel Core i9 14900K Raptor Lake processor. You might recognize that the 14900K is in fact a generation old, but don't let that dissuade you. This 24-core, 32-thread processor is still an absolute powerhouse when it comes to any sort of productivity work, be that CAD work or video work. And of course, it's no slouch when it comes to gaming either, making this a jack of all trades that will work perfectly whether you're looking to game on a Saturday night or get some work done on Friday morning. The 9800X3D is also available as part of a bundle deal. This bundle comes with a motherboard, specifically the ASUS B650EE, as well as 32GB of DDR5 6000 RAM. This bundle will not only save you money, but it will make the process of building a computer easier than ever before, removing the decisions of trying to figure out which processor goes with which motherboard and which RAM will work on that motherboard. The only decisions left will be more fun, like what GPU do I want, what case do I want, and how much RGB do I need for this build. The Intel Core i9 14900K is also available as part of a bundle deal featuring an ASUS Z790 gaming Wi-Fi 7 motherboard, as well as 32GB of DDR5 6000 RAM from G.Skill. And just like the AMD bundle, these bundles make building a PC easier than ever, taking away a lot of the compatibility considerations that you might have to make before building any PCs. Just head into the store, pick out your bundle, and go to town building the rest of your PC. And speaking of the rest of your PC, we also have deals on all of those parts like GPUs. Specifically, the ASUS NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 TUF, which means it comes with all of the incredible features that the 50 series is known for, like DLSS and updated CUDA and RT cores, for all-around better performance in games, whether that is with frame gen or without. Again, be sure to check out everything that we have on sale because we have a lot of graphics cards on sale for build, upgrade, save month, including some AMD cards as well. Microcenter has a ton of different storage options on sale during build, upgrade, save month, including your traditional HDDs and more modern, blazing fast NVMe M.2 drives. Drives like the Samsung 990 EVO Plus 1TB that works with both Gen 5 and Gen 4 PCIe lanes. But it's not just 1TB that's on clearance either. We have storage options ranging from 1TB to 2TB to 4TB and beyond. From there, I want to hit on the other big sale that we have right now, which is the NZXT H7 Flow case. At only $29.99, there are two main reasons to pick up the H7 Flow. Reason one, you're looking for a stylish, top quality case from a trusted company that features a mesh front panel, tempered glass side panel, and minimal RGB. Reason two, you're looking for an inexpensive case, and all of those things are just a sweet, sweet bonus. This white NZXT case is a favorite of ours and one that we highly recommend whether you're building your first PC or your 100th PC. By this point, you've probably put together a CPU, your motherboard, your RAM, your case, maybe a GPU. You're only looking at a couple of other parts left for a full PC build during this build, upgrade, and save month. Parts like a power supply. This 1000 watt power supply is fully modular, meaning that you're not gonna end up with a bunch of miscellaneous cables just hanging around your case, saving you both space and airflow, which can help keep your PC cooler. But it's also 1000 watts, which is going to be more than enough For most PC builds, however, if you are looking at some of the higher end builds, your 5090s, your 5080s, you might need a little bit of extra oomph. However, if you're just going down this list of parts and putting together a build based on what I'm talking about, it's gonna cover you just nicely. The RAM that comes with our CPU bundles is not all we have on sale, however. RAM like the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB 32GB DDR5 6000 RAM is also on sale during Build Upgrade Save Month and features some gorgeous RGB along the top. And it's a great way to add just a little bit of subtle light to your case. If you don't have any other RGB in your build, but you do have a tempered glass window, RGB RAM is a great way to give it just a little bit of color and a little bit of light to really show off what your build is capable of. So, if you want to see everything that we have on sale, stop by your local microcenter. Our associates are more than happy to help you put together a brand new PC or update your current rig with all new parts at a price that won't break your budget. And if you don't have a local microcenter near you, comment down below with hashtag I want a microcenter near me.